Are you in the market for a new construction home in Fayette County, Georgia with plenty of space, modern features, and over an acre of land? This beautifully designed 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home offers more than 3,200 square feet of living space on a private cul-de-sac lot. Home highlights: $10,000 builder incentive. New construction home, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 3,200 plus square featuring over 1 acre lot. Main level owner's suite, spa-inspired owner's bathroom, spacious walk-in closet, hardwood flooring throughout main living areas, tile flooring in all bathrooms, open concept floor plan, large family room with electric fireplace, modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances, solid surface countertops, separate dining room, laundry rooms on both the main level and upstairs, pre-wired security system, interior and exterior customization selections available. Fayette County, Georgia, conveniently located near shopping, I-85, and Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, this new construction property offers a combination of acreage, modern design, spacious living areas, and convenient access to major transportation routes. Whether you're searching for new construction homes in Fayette County, Georgia, homes for sale in Fayetteville, GA, new homes on acreage near Atlanta, 4-bedroom homes in Fayette County, luxury new construction, or homes near I-85, this property is worth exploring. Interested in seeing this new construction home? Contact Sheila James Real Estate for more information, current availability, builder incentives, and a private showing. Phone 678-572-6958. Email SheilaJamesRealEstate@gmail.com.